I greet this morning with an open heart and open arms. I honor the rising sun, the source of light, warmth, and life. Universe, I call upon your energy to flow through me. I breathe in life force, pure and radiant, filling my lungs, my heart, my veins, my spirit. I let it circulate through every cell of my body, awakening, empowering, and aligning me. I embody energy. I embody the power of the morning sun. I rise with vitality, courage, and clarity. I feel the universe flowing through me, lifting me, guiding me. Life is a gift, and I receive it fully. I am open to possibilities, abundance, and joy. I let the energy of the universe rise within me, shining from my core, radiating outwards, touching everything I encounter today. I am here, fully present, fully empowered. I am light. I am energy, and so it is.